So Dan, how did you find the Next Level HMO workshop?
Eye-opening for me, because I was obviously when Billy first told me about it, I was very skeptical. But obviously seeing the cases that you've done, the jobs that you've done, the way you've gone forward, and that, yeah, it's really good.
Thank you, Billy. What's your thoughts?
Yeah, fantastic. Yeah, I loved every minute of it. I obviously did the course into the 3-day course. Oh, no, it was a 2-day course in September 2019, and then figured that I wanted to bring Dan on, or partner up with Dan, and then I thought it would be positive for both of us to do it, just so we could have the experience of going through the motions of the training. But informative, huge amount of progression information. Yeah, really good. Really enjoyed it.
So what would you say is the kind of the problem that you're trying to solve by coming to the workshop? What was your main motivating factor for being on the workshop?
Well, for me, it was the knowledge, and the in-depth, scientific, if you like, breaking it down into parts and segments and looking at the full internal workings, because anyone could just buy a house and be a landlord, and that happens all the time. But it's really getting into the nitty-gritty, into the finer detail, which I don't think the vast majority do. So it's trying to set yourself aside, being that top sort of 10%, and that was really, training is always going to be, and education is going to be a massive part of that. So that was the main reason, really.
Dan, what would you say to that? What problem were you trying to solve? What was the main motivation to come on?
For me, it was confidence in ourselves to do it, knowing that people have come from where we are now in our shoes to where you can be in however many years. Seeing that's a big part for me. I think it's just the confidence and knowing it. I think that's the thing for me.
Fantastic. And then what was it about what we do that stood out versus other options that you could have taken?
So for me, obviously it was through Billy. Obviously I've never delved into the educational side of stuff with this sort of thing. I've always just been a hands-on kind of person.
What would you say you've been able to achieve since working with us, or over that time that you worked with us? Dan?
Achieve. I think achievement, I don't know, it's given me a lot more confidence going forward with it. I like the idea of the resources that we can use from now on, obviously with the port we've got. Other than that, I'll let Billy answer.
Over to you, Billy.
Yeah, so achievement so far, obviously we've got a fair amount to go, and we will get there. But so the main achievements is just being like having a focal point and a strategy. So just like understanding where to look, how to look, what to look for, and also have a bit of a target, a bit of a goal. So what we need to do in order to get there. So before that, you sort of run around like a headless chicken, and try and do everything. But this just gives you a bit more of a direction. But in terms of achievements, we're still very early on. So the main achievements are just the research we've done, due diligence, and the rest we need to move forward with, really, and achieve.
Thank you. And Billy, stay with you. What has exceeded your expectations throughout the workshop? Is there anything that jumps out?
I would say the online platform. I'd say the way that the course is structured is phenomenal. It's exceptional. I didn't think that it would be that good. With the online platform that you can log into, so it exceeded expectations. Which was brilliant, and you've got all of the resources that you can use. You've got all of the documents that you guys help us with. So yeah, just the actual structure of the course was mind blowing.
Thank you. And Dan, anything kind of exceed your expectations?
Just the sheer amount of information was put forward. It's crazy how much